to show you how to make wand curls last overnight. So what you're going to need today is just these flexi rods. I like to also wear a glove. All right, and so what I do is just go ahead and start out with just wrapping the hair around. And so I actually wait and do two, and before I actually put the flexi rod on it. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the glove into the other hand. Okay guys, so now that I'm closer to the front, I kind of wanted you to see exactly how I do this. With this size, I'm probably gonna make that into two. Just secure this hair up here just to get it out of the way. Comb that part out. Then I put the glove on the hand that's going to touch the wand, and then all I do is fold it backwards away from my face and wrap it around. When it gets to the end, you have to make sure that that end is curled around it. And then I just hold it here for a couple seconds, and then I take it off. And I kind of hold it like this for a little bit to keep, so it can keep its shape. I am getting ready for bed, hence the robe. And I am just gonna do it like this. And the way that the curl looks now, it's gonna look totally different in the morning, like it's gonna be a lot tighter. I like doing this because whenever you actually use the heat, it's like you're using hot rollers in your hair, and so because it's hot and you're rolling it white, it's hot, it keeps its form, which is amazing. Super simple. Again, I just rolled it back, held it for a second. Now all I'm gonna do is take these two pieces, and they're still warm, trust me, and all you do is just wrap it around the flexi rod. Then you take this part and you fold it down. So I rolled it backwards around the flexi rod, took the top part of the flexi rod and rolled it over, and then I am just rolling it backwards away from my face, rolling it all the way down. I like for it to have that sort of curl, like a spiral. You can keep it up close if you want to. This is just the way that I prefer. And wherever that very end, the very last piece stops, that's where you fold the flexi rod up. There you go, that's simple. Now as I get closer to the front of my head, I go ahead and part my hair how I'm going to want to style it. Right, and so for this part, because I want my curls to flow this way and these to flow that way, I'm just gonna, actually I don't even have to part it, I can just use my nail because it doesn't have to be precise. Just gonna part it like that. Put my little glove on, my handy dandy glove. And I am gonna go ahead and start to curl it again. Even though I'm curling it this way, it's completely fine. What really matters is the way that you turn the flexi rod and which direction the flexi rod is going in. Because as long as you get the heat applied to it and it has a curl, it's gonna go where you want it to go. It lasts me all week, and the way that you make your hair last all week is you don't have to wand curl your hair every single night. After you do this one time and you do it really good, then all you have to do is each night before you go to bed, re-put in the flexi rod. Now it could be uncomfortable for some people who don't like to wear these, but you do have to put these in every day for the whole week if you want it to last. And so I don't mind that as long as I don't have to do my hair, because I do not want to rewash my hair. For me, I don't know how thick you guys' hair is, but mine is extremely thick and it takes me a long time to do. So the longer I can actually preserve a style, the better. Let's see, I've just got everything flowing to one side. And what I'll probably do to the front is I'll use some edge control, and I might have to use a little bit of gel to make the front fall, because I've been working out and it is kind of frizzy up here. And I don't want to put a flat iron to it, so that's what I'm going to have to do. And I'm actually going to use the smaller ones. It's not going to be much of a difference. All right, guys, and that is pretty much it. I am going to put a bonnet on my head, and then I am going to go to sleep.
Alright, I'm taking this down. Sorry for the background music. But, so easy this last shoot all week. Baddie is interested in my shirt. All you have to do is follow the link down below.